Work one's magic. Work one's magic. Work one's magic. To use a special ability to get the result you want.
Hi Rohini.
Hi.
Actually, I've written this article and somehow I feel like it's not up to the mark. It's not that good enough. Can you please work your magic and make it better?
Let me have a look.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Sure, I'll take a look at the article and yeah, I think it needs to be rewritten in parts. No problem, I'll rewrite it in parts and yeah, make it better. Work my
Great.
magic on it.
That would be great. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Sonakshi,
Yeah.
here's your article. I've
Thank you so
rewritten it in
much.
parts.
Thank you.
I worked on it all night to see if it reads fine. That page.
Oh wow, this looks amazing.
That is part.
Oh wow, thank you so much. You really worked your magic. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Come to me anytime.
Let's use work one's magic in a sentence now. The editor worked her magic and made the book even more interesting.